What are the biggest headaches in the shoe molding industry? First, a lack of fine details. Second, inefficient workflow. And third, the difficulty of processing soft materials. Now, DLP 3D printers offer an elegant solution. Utilizing digital light processing technology, they cure entire layers in a single exposure, achieving speeds several times faster than traditional slaw methods. For the batch printing of soft shoe molds, it is simply the perfect fit. A single machine can produce a batch of shoe sole models in a single run, featuring precise dimensions and crisp textures. Moreover, the material itself possesses inherent elasticity, offering a tactile feeling remarkably close to real rubber. Most importantly, DLP technology guarantees printing precision throughout the entire process. There are no visible layer lines, and no complex post-processing is required. From initial design to finished product, an entire build plate of soft shoe molds can be completed in just a few hours. Whether for small batch prototyping or full-scale mass production, it handles every task with effortless ease. For shoe manufacturers and design studios, this means that completing dozens of design iterations within a single week has become a reality. Low cost, high flexibility, and rapid delivery DLP batch printing of soft shoe molds is revolutionizing the prototyping process within the footwear industry. As every engineer who has used it will attest, it's truly hassle-free, a genuine relief.